The WVU Research Data Protection Request Form initiates a process which both guards sensitive data and generates common institutional approvals needed for unapproved software and other compliance areas. Researchers at WVU must submit a request to obtain a data protection certificate before they submit an initial IRB protocol for all types or request a data use agreement from the Office of Sponsored Programs. After this application has been approved, you will receive a data protection certificate via email, which can be attached to WVU+kc research project submissions. You can find a link to the request form on your WVU+kc dashboard in the IRB menu or on the OHRP website's Get Started section. When you open the form, some reminders and instructions will appear at the top of the page. Start by entering some general information about the project, including the department, the PI, and the title of the project. In the Data Information section, indicate whether there will be multiple data sources and if they will include WVU medical or dental records, and what sources will be used. You can click the Here link to find guidance about each question on this form if you need help. The sources of data you select will determine which sections of the form you will be required to complete. In the next section, select your department if it belongs to one of the WVU HIPAA-covered entities. If your department is not listed, choose none of the above. You will need to specify whether data transfer or sharing will be part of the project activities and answer additional questions as needed. Will study participants be compensated? If yes, select the method of compensation that will be used. Additional approvals may be required. Then, complete the research information section by describing how you will use the data, providing the WVU protocol number and funding information if possible. Finally, select any existing data agreements that are in place or pending for this study, and then check the box to attest to the veracity of the information provided and agree to submit a new data protection form if changes occur. Submit the form, and if the project involves only low or medium risk data, you will receive the data protection certification instantly by email. If the project is higher risk and includes unapproved software or storage plans, data agreements, or international components, next steps will be included in the email. If data requirements change during the project, request an updated data protection certificate by submitting a change to the existing form. Questions may be directed to the Research Data Protection Support email, or you may learn more in the ITS knowledge base.